relation between particle velocity and wave velocity. We know that in the previously we have studied that the expression can be written as yxt is equal to r sine of 2 pi by lambda into vt minus x. Okay. So now if uxt is representing the velocity at an instant of time, so we will differentiate it with respect to time, d by dt y of xt. Okay. So when we differentiate, r is constant taken as it is, sine ka differential is cos of 2 pi by lambda into vt minus x. Now again differentiating this term, so we will be having the coefficient of t, which is equal to 2 pi by lambda into v. Okay. Now again d by dx of yxt, if we calculate, we will be having again r constant, sine ka differential is cos 2 pi by lambda vt minus x. Okay, so here the differential of x is, this will be minus 2 pi by lambda, so this is minus 2 pi by lambda. Okay, so now dividing both means we will write u xt upon d by dx of y xt, and this will cancel out in pairs. R is also cancel out and 2 pi by lambda will also cancel out, and we are left with minus v. So we can write that uxt is equal to minus of v d by dx of y xt. So this is the relation between the wave velocity and the particle velocity. Similarly, we can get the expression for particle acceleration. So particle acceleration can be calculated by differentiating the particle velocity uxt. Now in this expression we get uxt is r cos 2 pi by lambda vt minus x into 2 pi by lambda v. So we will differentiate this. So we will be differentiating d by dt. This is r cos of 2 pi by lambda vt minus x into 2 pi by lambda into v. So when we differentiate it, r taken as it is, cos ka differential is sine 2 pi by lambda vt minus x, and again the differential of this is 2 pi by lambda into v. So this term become double, 2 pi lambda into v whole square. Okay, so this is what? This is y, and this is what? This is omega. Okay, omega square. So in this case acceleration is omega square y. Cos differentiation is minus sine, so this will be minus, so this is minus. So this is the expression for the particle acceleration.